So over the past 5 years, Albany Med and U Albany partnered to create our We Care event. Our We Care event is to serve patients that come to Albany Medical Center who have been victims of sexual assault.
We've been a part of We Care for all 5 years. We're celebrating our 5th anniversary, and we were approached by Albany Medical Center to collaborate, and we thought it was a wonderful idea.
The University at Albany's primary role in We Care is to encourage students to participate and to engage with the wider community. When students participate in events such as We Care, they learn that they can make a difference in someone's life, and that's an amazing feeling.
When a sexual assault patient presents to Albany Med, sometimes they have to leave their clothing as part of evidence. In return, we are able to give bags that have clothing, toiletry items, gift cards, personalized messages, and teddy bears, which serve as a reminder that they are not alone and that they can leave our hospital feeling some sort of comfort.
I've been in the position of actually being in the room with the student and seeing them when they get the bag, so they can walk out of there feeling like a human being. And best part of all, there's a note of encouragement just to let people know that somebody cares about them.
When everyone arrives, we're in the CEFQ arena, everyone gets a bag, and they start to fill those bags as they walk around the tables.
That bag serves as a reminder that people in their community really care about them, and I think that's really important for them to leave Albany Med with that feeling.
An event like We Care encourages students to engage with the public, it makes them feel like they can make a difference, and it also lets victims of sexual violence know that we care.